Your kitchen smells like ambition, but your loaves keep slumping like Monday motivation? Enter the countertop sidekick that kneads, proofs, and bakes, while you take all the credit. In our video to the best bread machines, we'll sift through loaf sizes, crust settings, gluten-free cycles, and delay timers to find your perfect rise. Whether you crave crackly baguette vibes or a soft sandwich staple, these dough-taming marvels turn ingredients into applause. No elbow grease, just warm, sliceable victory. Any day, effortlessly. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Hamilton Beach HomeBaker, our pick for best budget bread machine. If you want fresh, affordable bread without turning your kitchen into a chemistry lab, the Hamilton Beach HomeBaker is your loaf-loving sidekick. Add ingredients, pick a cycle, press start. Yes, it's really that simple. You control what goes in, so your bread can be free of preservatives and trans fat and full of the good stuff you actually care about. You get range too. 12 cycles cover basics like white and French, plus gluten-free, quick bread, sweet, whole grain, dough, jam, cake, bake, and express modes for 1.5 pound or 2 pound loaves when time isn't on your side. Craving crusty or tender? Choose light, medium, or dark to match your mood. Prefer shaping rolls, pizza crusts, or cinnamon buns yourself. Let HomeBaker do the dough work, then finish in your oven like a hero. The 2-pound capacity is perfect for families and midnight snackers alike. Cleanup stays easy, parts are dishwasher safe, so you can retire the soaking forever routine. At 120 volts and a solid build, it sits steady while it kneads and rises, not marching across your counter. If you're chasing bakery results on a budget, this machine earns its keep. Dependable, versatile, and blissfully low maintenance. Measure, set, start, then slice into the kind of warm victory that never lasts long on the table. Number 4. West Bend High Rise, our pick for best large capacity bread maker. If your crew devours slices like it's a sport, the West Bend High Rise is your big loaf minimum viable product. Its traditional horizontal pan turns out family-sized bread in the shape you actually want for sandwiches, with 3 loaf options, 2 pound, 2.5 pound, or a massive 3 pound, so everyone gets a heel or a center slice without negotiations. Dual kneading blades work the dough thoroughly for a lighter texture and a confident rise, meaning fewer dense bricks and more one more slice moments. You're in charge of the vibe. 12 digital settings cover basic, wheat, French, sweet, dough, gluten-free, and more, while 3 crust controls let you dial in exactly how toasty you like it. Got a busy day? Use the 13-hour delay start to load ingredients now and come home to that fresh-baked aroma right on schedule. It's the kind of planning that makes dinner feel effortless. At about 14.9 pounds, it stays steady on the counter while it does the mixing, rising, and baking. Cleanup is straightforward, hand wash the parts, and you're reset for the next round. If you want consistent crowd-pleasing loaves without babysitting dough, this large capacity machine delivers big batches, better texture, and crust control that keeps the table quiet, except for the pass the butter requests. Still searching for the perfect bread machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cuisinart CBK-110, our pick for best compact bread maker. If you want fresh bread without sacrificing counter space, the Cuisinart CBK-110 is your compact carb machine. At just 10.8 pounds with a tidy footprint, it sneaks onto your counter and turns 550 watts and 110 volts into a steady 2-pound loaf that tastes like you spent the day kneading. You get 12 menu programs, so beyond classic white, you can branch into French, whole wheat, sweet dough, rapid bakes, even cake and jam when your sweet tooth stages a coup. Control freak in the best way? Dial in 3 crust colors: light, medium, dark, and choose your loaf size: 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or the full 2 pound. It mixes, kneads, rises, and bakes while you get on with your life. You just claim the glory when the kitchen smells like a bakery. Prefer pizza night? Let the CBK-110 handle dough duty, then take a bow when those bubbles blister just right. Cleanup won't crush your vibe. Parts are hand-wash simple, and the plastic stainless build wipes down fast. It's the ideal small but mighty upgrade for apartments, dorms, or anyone who's done negotiating with store-bought slices. If you're craving customization without complexity, this bread maker shows up every time. Reliable bakes, flexible options, and zero countertop drama. Load your ingredients, set your preferences, and enjoy bread that actually suits your schedule and your standards. Number 2. Breville Custom Loaf, our pick for best premium customizable bread maker. If you want bakery-level bread tailored to your taste buds, the Breville Custom Loaf is your premium shortcut. With a roomy 2.5-pound capacity and brushed stainless body, it turns your counter into a quiet little boulangerie at 120 volts. You get 13 automatic programs: gluten-free, yeast-free, crusty loaf, dough, pasta, jam, and more, plus 9 custom settings to save your own recipes. The smart LCD walks you through every stage, so you're never guessing whether it's kneading, rising, or baking. It's all right there, easy to follow when you're busy doing literally anything else. The collapsible kneading paddle mixes thoroughly, then tucks away before baking to minimize that paddle divot, giving you cleaner slices for sandwiches and show-off toasts. Want texture and surprise in every bite? The automatic fruit and nut dispenser drops mix-ins at the perfect moment, evenly distributing walnuts, raisins, seeds, whatever makes your loaf sing, without you hovering over the machine. And if the power blips, you're covered. 60 minutes of backup protection keeps your loaf on track instead of starting from zero. At 16.8 pounds, it's solid, stable, and unmistakably premium. If you're serious about bread, or just serious about not wasting time, the Custom Loaf gives you control where it counts and automation where it helps. Load your ingredients, pick a program, save your favorites, and slice into reliable, repeatable greatness. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus, our pick for best bread machine overall. If you crave bakery-grade loaves without babysitting dough, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is your secret weapon. You get a full 2-pound capacity powered by a steady 700 watts and a stainless steel body that looks as premium as your crust tastes. Double kneading blades do the hard work, stretching gluten, smoothing texture, so your crumb comes out uniform and your slices don't tear at the first swipe of butter. Dual heaters, bottom and lid, deliver even heat and gorgeous browning edge to edge, so you stop rotating pans and start bragging. You're in control of the menu too. Tap into multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan courses for bread that fits your goals without tasting like a compromise. Short on time? Rapid cycles turn out white or whole wheat loaves in about 2 hours 25 minutes. Perfect for last-minute dinners or, surprise, we have guests, evenings. Setup is simple, cleanup is straightforward, and the machine's 120-volt design plays nicely with your kitchen. At about 24 pounds, it sits solidly on the counter. No shimmying while it kneads, no drama mid-rise. You handle the ingredients, Virtuoso Plus handles the science. If you want consistent lift, bakery-level crust, and a lineup of health-forward programs that actually deliver, this is the bread maker that respects your time and your taste buds. Load, select, press start, and serve slices that make store-bought feel like a backup plan. Whew! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best bread machine. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let us know in the comments which bread machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.